No longer should students be caught sitting at desks working individually on worksheets. With performance tasks comes student collaboration and creative demonstrations of learning. A performance task is education lingo for having students do something to showcase their mastery of the content. As the text says, they require students to apply their knowledge and skills in order to solve problems, create original products, or demonstrate particular skills. This means that performance tasks can take on any number of formats and can be tailored for each classroom. There are basically two types of performance tasks. Restricted performance tasks, or single-focus tasks, involve one or two standards and can generally be done in one or two class periods. These include things like writing letters or creating artistic pieces. On the other hand, extended performance tasks, or multi-focus tasks, are more complex and include a wide range of standards and skill sets. These tasks usually cross subject boundaries to integrate learning between disciplines. Performance tasks are effective for multiple reasons. An important characteristic of performance tasks is authenticity. Performance tasks should involve situations students might encounter in the real world. The problems should be realistic, and students should have the freedom to solve them in creative ways. By bringing real situations to the classroom, we make the content more relevant to students and encourage them to engage with the material. Which brings up the point of student motivation. When students can see how what they are doing in the classroom relates to their lives outside of school, they are more willing to participate. Performance tasks give students some freedom of response, which can motivate them to buy into the learning process. Another component of performance tasks that make them useful in the classroom is the collaboration that is required in most tasks. Working with others is an important life skill to develop, so beginning at a young age, students prepare for their future, not to mention the incredible possibilities that come with students working together to make knowledge. Performance tasks are virtually unlimited in their applications to the classroom. Writing tasks, artistic expressions, presentations, performances, and demonstrations are just a few uses, and still there is great variety within those categories. The best use of performance tasks, though, involve a combination of multiple skills. Instead of a multiple choice summative assessment, performance tasks create an opportunity for students to demonstrate their learning by creating a product, which allows them to show a greater depth of understanding anyway. Since technology is such an integral part of our society, performance tasks do not have to simply be writing a paper or doing a skit. Instead, students might design a web page full of information that they have compiled to demonstrate their learning, or they might create a video presentation to showcase how much they understand about the content. Basically, performance tasks can be anything that involves students in the creation of a product to demonstrate learning.